Hi everyone, it's Deborah, and I'm going to do some sublimation today. We have some really cool prints on our website. This is the one I'm going to work with. And as you know, you have to put sublimation onto polyester. 100% polyester is perfect if you can find it. I found this t-shirt on Amazon and it's 40% polyester, but I'm going to try it anyway because that's what I got. So our sublimation comes with instructions. Take a screenshot of that if you want. We set the heat press to 400 degrees, and yes, you have to use a heat press because 400 degrees is high and you need that pressure from a heat press. And let's go turn on our heat press. Be right with you. So as always, we're going to get rid of our moisture and wrinkles by giving this a press first. Lighten my pressure a little bit. Well, I have something on my plantains underneath, so it's coming up. You can see it on this shirt. It's just one of the things that happens. I'm going to go ahead and do this because it's going to look vintagey anyway because it's a poly blend. So we're just experimenting here. I haven't done much sublimation, so we're gonna do this together, guys. All right, we're gonna get our center line by putting our sides together and pressing. After I finish this project, you're awfully close to me, sorry. After I finish this project, I'm going to clean my plantain, turn off the heat press, make sure it's completely cold, then I'm gonna get under there with a warm cloth and wash whatever's on there off. Okay, so we've got our center line, we've pressed it. Now I'm going to find the center line of our image. So that's going to be right there. And I'm pressing below the image. I think that will be I'm looking into the light to see if I'm getting this right. I think that's going to be close enough. Okay, so according to our instructions, we're going to, we've got it set to about 400, medium pressure, 40 seconds, hot or cold peel. It goes image side down and make sure it's in the middle of your plantain so you get the whole image. Okay, that's 40 seconds. I'm going to just pick this up a little bit just to test to see. Beautiful. I'm going to hot peel it to here just so we can test it. And now I'm going to cold peel it just as an experiment. Be interesting to see if one's better than the other. This is our cooling block, of course. Love these things. You sell a ton of them. And here's our sublimation. And I don't think it made a difference, hot or cold peel. Love it. Thanks, guys. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.